Hello, the topic for today's skill test is hospital API. So these are the 5 and 6 API routes that basically are used for creating the hospital API. The first route being the registration of the doctor. Here username and password are being used for registration of a particular doctor. If you register using the post API, the doctor is already created. So get the message that doctor already registered. But if you change the name, they will send the post, then doctor is being registered successfully. So using the same username and password, you need to log in the doctor. So this route basically functionality is the login of a doctor. So if we log in the doctor using the same name and password, then a token is generated using the JWT itself. So whenever you want to register a patient or any other functionalities you want, then you need this token. So if you want to register a patient, let's say it's the patient name and the patient phone number. So need to add the authorization token up here. So the patient with phone number was already registered, but if you change the phone number, so 7, so the patient one has been registered. Now we need to generate a report for the patient. So let's say this is the patient and we need to get the patient ID. So once login, if you again click on register, then the patient details are shown up here. So let's say we want to register that patient. Now for generating a report for this patient, let's say it is having a status of simple parenting and we are creating the report for the patient. User not logged in because authentication issue will be there. API token. Now the report is being generated. So this will be report having status to the doctor who generated the report, the patient ID and the symptoms along with this he created at the time. Now if you want to look at the report for particular type, it is let's say for negative, so again you also need to give the token. So it will show all the reports having negative status is negative. Apart from this, if you want to see all other reports, so again we need to go to this. So those are the get request. So this contains all the reports regardless of positive, negative, everything. So now if you look at the code, this is the index.js where the server is being initiated. There are three main functionalities: the doctor, patient, and the report. Doctor is having separate doctor schema, patient having patient schema, while the report is having the report schema. For scalable purpose, we used multiple those schemas, and all of those are having different controllers, repositories, and routes. So basically, it is a kind of type of architecture that where all of those are independent of each other. As a result, horizontal and vertical scaling we provided. The .env file basically contains the file that of the uh, JWT token, secret key, this and that, so that it can be kept secret. The mongoose.config file contains the configuration of the mongoose itself. There is a basic readme file using which you can read all the details about the project. And the project has been hosted in render.js, and this is the GitHub repo for the project. So that is all. Thank you.